apply the ash. So now the girls are applying the ash on their hands. You see, I have also applied the ash on my hands. We want to go and put the eggs for the chicken to hatch. There is one chicken that is ready to hatch. And you're not, I'm advised you're not supposed to touch the eggs with your bare hands because you could be oily. So you remove the oil with the ash. That's why we are taking some ash from the stove and the jiko. Then we can go and put the eggs. Wait, I show you. Aya, twende. Ebu nione, shika hapa. Nishikia hapa Priscilla. Acha niwatafutie.
Tatu?
Yeah, shika. Yeah. I rub your hands. Now we can go. Priscilla, take some ash and then we go. Tutandike hiyo hapo kwa box vizuri. So that we can put the eggs for hatching. So now we are preparing the place the chicken will hatch. Here, like this. Pamela, you don't know we are supposed to put like this. Like this. Aya, data ingunia. Shika. Ndio eggs zikuwe warm. We want to make a warm bed for the eggs.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
No, this one no, not those ones.
Nini?
Jivu iko kwa jiko. Si tulikuwa tu tunapaka mikono peke yake? Ama? Aya.
Mother anachukua kitchen.
Aya, so Neta. Put eggs there. No, you don't touch.
No, don't touch. No.
One. Put one. Slowly put one. Mpange vizuri.
Acha chini.
Wait, put one. You will break them.
Put one.
Just one at a time. Pamela. That's enough. Don't put the other one. This is enough. Don't do that, Pamela. Yes, don't. Priscilla, pray for them so that God will help them to hatch. Ndio kuku itoe vifaranga mingi. Amen. Thank you, Jesus. Sasa itatoka tu vifaranga mingi. 15. Ziko 15? Yes. Good.